In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Microsoft Planner. If you've added a comment or note to a task in Planner and want to remove it, the process is very straightforward. This is useful if a note is outdated, no longer relevant, or simply added by mistake. In this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and focus on exactly what you need to do inside the task. Start by opening Microsoft Planner and navigating to the plan where your task is located. Once you're looking at your board, find the specific task that contains the comment or note you want to remove. Go ahead and select that task to open its details. This is where Planner shows the information connected to that item, including any notes or comment style text that has been added. After the task details are open, look for the note area. If the content you want to remove appears there, you can simply delete the text. In other words, place your cursor in the note field, highlight the note if needed, and remove it. If you only want to delete part of the content, you can erase just that section instead of clearing the entire note. This gives you flexibility in case some of the information still needs to stay. As you do this, take a quick moment to review the task before closing it. That helps make sure you are removing the correct text and not deleting anything important by accident. If the note included instructions, updates, or context for your team, it may be worth confirming that the information is no longer needed before removing it completely. Once the note has been deleted, the task will reflect that change. Depending on your Planner setup, changes may save automatically, so it's a good idea to pause briefly and make sure the update has gone through. If you still see the text, click outside the field or reopen the task to confirm the note is gone. That's all it takes to delete comments or notes in Microsoft Planner. Select the task, open its details, and delete the note text you no longer want. It's a quick cleanup step that can help keep your tasks clear, accurate, and easier for everyone to follow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Planner tasks a little more efficiently.